students, welcome back to our SP English Educare channel. Today I am going to demonstrate second PUC Biology Model Question Paper 1 2024 to 2025 with answer solved by Gauri G and narrated by Srishti Balakrishna. So before exposing the question paper and answer, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and like share so you'll get the notification as soon as we upload the video. Okay, now let me move to expose the answer. Part A, first bit. Select the correct alternative from the choices given below. First, statement 1. Apomixis is the production of seeds from unfertilized ovules. Statement 2. Embryos produced from apomictic seeds are not generally identical to the parent plant. A. Statement 1 is true. Statement 2 is false. B. Statement 1 is false. Statement 2 is true. C. Statement 1 and 2 both are true. D. Statement 1 and 2 both are false and the answer is A. Statement 1 is true, statement 2 is false. Second, choose the correct option from the table given below for the formation and dissolution of the label part in the given diagram. Below is the diagram. Formed by dissolved. A. Primary oocyte before fertilization. B. Primary oocyte after fertilization. C. Secondary oocyte before fertilization. D. Secondary oocyte after fertilization and the answer is D. Secondary oocyte after fertilization. Third, out of the option given below, choose the correct stage for transfer to the fallopian tube for successful IVF result. A. Embryo up to 8 blastomers. B. Embryo up to 16 blastomers. C. Embryo up to 32 blastomers. D. Embryo up to 32 blastomers and the answer is A. Embryo up to 8 blastomers. Fourth, 37.2% recombinant Drosophila progeny obtained in the T.H. Morgan's dihybrid cross experiment with the phenotype red eye color, normal body and white eye color, miniature body is due to A. Loosely linked and shorter distance between genes. B. Tightly linked and shorter distance between genes. C. Loosely linked and longer distance between genes. D. Tightly linked and longer distance between genes and the answer is C. Loosely linked and longer distance between genes. Fifth, the number of nucleotide pairs present in the DNA of the primary oocyte of a newborn in human is A. 3.3 into 10 to the power 9, B. 6.6 into 10 to the power 9, C. 13.2 into 10 to the power 9, D. 3.3 into 10 to the power 7, and the answer is A, 3.3 into 10 to the power 9. Sixth, the factors that affect Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium are listed below. First, crossing over independent assortment. Second, crossing over mutation. Third, genetic drift, crossing over. Fourth, independent assortment, mutation. Choose the correct option. A, first, second and third. B, second, third and fourth. C, first, third and fourth. D, first, second, third and fourth, and the answer is D, first, second, third and fourth. Seventh, interferons are most effective in making non-affected cells resistant against the spread of which of the following disease in human? A, AIDS. B, Ascaris. C, ringworm. D, amoebiasis, and the answer is A, AIDS. AIDS, the human host cell in which the gametocytes of malaria parasite develop are A, thrombocytes. B, liver cell. C, erythrocytes. D, leukocytes, and the answer is B, liver cells. 9. Which of the following water samples in the table given below will have a higher concentration of organic matter? Water sample, level of pollution, value of BOD. A, high, high. B, low, low. C, low, high. D, high, low, and the answer is A, high, high. 10th. The steps of recombinant DNA technology are given below. First, insertion of recombinant DNA into the host organism. Second, amplification of genes of interest using PCR. Third, cutting of DNA at specific location. Fourth, obtaining the foreign product. Fifth, downstreaming processing. Sixth, isolation of DNA. Choose the correct option for the sequential steps of recombinant DNA technology. A, 6th, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 1st. B, 6th, 1st, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 2nd. C, 6th, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 1st. D, 6th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st, 4th, 5th, and the answer is D, 6th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st, 4th, 5th. 11th, DNA in a clone of cells followed by detection using autoradiography is called A, template. B, probe. C, transcript. D, cistron, and the answer is B, probe. 12th, Jiva was growing a bacterial colony in a culture flask under ideal laboratory conditions where the resources sooner or later became limiting. Which of the following equation will represent the correct growth in the case? A, dN by dt is equals to Rn. B, dN by dt is equals to Kn. C, dN by dt is equals to Rn of K minus N by K. D, dN by dt is equals to Rn of K plus N by K. And the answer is C, dN by dt is equals to Rn of K minus N by K. 13th, which of the following food chains is the major conduit for the energy flow in the terrestrial and aquatic ecosystem respectively? Terrestrial, aquatic. A, grazing. B, detritus. C, detritus, grazing. D, grazing, detritus, and the answer is A, grazing. 14th, which of the following is not an example of in situ conservation? A, national park and seed bank. B, national park and zoological park. C, seed bank and skate grove. D, seed bank and botanical gardens, and the answer is B, national park and zoological parks. 15th, exploration of molecular, genetic and species level diversity for novel products of economic importance is A, biofortification. B, bioprocessing. C, bioprospecting. D, biodiversity, and the answer is D, biodiversity. Second bit, fill in the blanks by choosing the appropriate word or words from the given below. Competent cell, bacteria, non-living molecule, vectors, competent cells, recombinant cells. 16. The interstitial space in seminiferous tubules consists of immunological dash and the answer is competent cell. 17. The version of biogenesis is accepted by majority as the first form of life arises slowly through involuntary forces from dash and the answer is non-living molecule. 18th. Filariasis pathogens are transmitted to a healthy person through dash and the answer is vector. Swiss cheese with large holes is produced from dash and the answer is bacteria. 20. The host cells which have the ability to incorporate foreign DNA within them are called dash and the answer is competent cell. Part B, third bit. Answer any 5 of the following questions in 3 to 5 sentences wherever applicable. 21st. Complete the tabular column given below with respect to the male gametophyte of organism. Cells of the male gametophyte, shape of nucleus of the cell. And here is the answer. Mention 2 medical grounds on which the pregnancies are subjected to termination and the answer is below. Third, derive the phenotypic and genotypic ratio of a cross between AB blood group and AB blood group parents and the answer is below. Fourth, which sequence of bases transcribed from DNA are found both in hnRNA and mRNA? Below is the answer. Potato tubers and sweet potato tubers are the result of convergent evolution. Justify the statement. Below is the answer. What are biofertilizer? Mention its significance and the answer is below. 27. Name 4 recent extinct organisms as per IUCN Red List and below is the answer. bit. Answer any 5 of the following questions in 40 to 80 words each wherever applicable. 28. Draw a label diagram of the fertilized female gametophyte and mention the ploidy of any one of the products of double fertilization. Below is the answer and diagram. First, diploid. Second, primary endosperm nucleus, PN. Parturition is induced by complex neuroendocrine mechanism. Comment below is the answer. The popular and effective contraceptives include IUDs. Mention the types of IUDs with an example of each. Below is the answer. Write the silent feature of the following human ancestor. First, Dryopithecus. Second, Ramopithecus. Third, Australopithecus. Fourth, Homo habilis. Fifth, Neanderthal man, and the answer is below. Sixth, Homo erectus, and the answer is below. Describe any 3 properties of cancerous cells, and the answer is below. Complete the following given tabular column with appropriate answer. Name of the microbe, name of the product, uses, and below is the answer. 34. It represents diagrammatically the pyramid of number in a terrestrial ecosystem. Below is the diagram. Part D. Fifth bit. Answer any 4 of the following questions in about 200 to 250 words each wherever applicable. 35th, flowering plants have developed many devices to discourage self-pollination and encourage cross-pollination. Comment, and the answer is below. 36. Draw a label diagrammatic sectional view of the human female reproductive system, and the below is the diagram. Few autosome-linked recessive gene blood diseases occur in human population. Among them, some are related to qualitative and quantitative problem of synthesizing blood proteins. Explain, and the answer is B. Below. 38. DNA replication is fast, accurate, energetically expensive, substrate and enzyme dependent, initiated from specific site and cannot unveil on its entire length. Explain the process of DNA replication considering all these features, and the answer is below. Some drug bottles had their name labels missing in a drugstore of a hospital. The staff needs to identify the drugs with their action still written on them, analyze their action listed below, and identify the name of each drug and also the source of each one of them. Drug 1, used by doctor as sedative and painkiller. Drug 2, help patients to cope with insomnia and depression. Drug 3, increase blood pressure and heart rate of consumer. Drug 4 act as depressant and slows down body function. Drug 5 affect cardiovascular system of the body, and the answer is below. Transgenic animals provide innumerable benefits to human beings. Justify the statement with common reason, and the answer is below. A. Normal psychological and development. B. Study of disease. C. Biological products. D. Vaccine safety. E. Chemical safety testing, and the answer is below. Below. 41. Explain the fascinating forms of interreactions in A. Brood parasitism, B. Sexual deceit, and the answers are below. Sixth bit, answer any one of the following question in about 200 to 250 words each wherever applicable. 42. Results of Mendelian dihybrid cross are represented in the form of Punnett square, and the answer is below. Answer the following question with respect to the result of a dihybrid cross. A. Number of parental types progeny, and the answer is below. B. Number of recombinant progeny, and the answer is below. C. Number of homozygous recessive progeny, and the answer is below. D. Number of homozygous dominant progeny, and the answer is below. E. Number of homozygous progeny for both the traits, and the answer is below. F. Number of heterozygous progeny for both the traits, and the answer is below. G. Number of pure line progeny, and the answer is below. H. Number of homozygous progeny for single trait, and the answer is below. I. Number of heterozygous progeny for single trait, and the answer is below. J. Number of recessive progeny for single trait, and the answer is below. 43. Given below are sequence of nucleotides in a particular mRNA and amino acids coded by it. Write the properties of genetic code that can be corrected from the above given data, and the answer is below. Forty-fourth, given below are the diagrams of plasmid A and B. Observe meticulously and answer the question that follow, and the answer is below. A. Which plasmid is you select for cloning and why? And the answer is below. B. What is insertional inactivation? And the answer is below. C. Will the number of culture plating you should make is same or different? To select recombinant if insertional inactivation is possible, comment, and the answer is below. Party for visually challenged students only. Second, choose the correct option for the formation and dissolution of the xenopellicuda formed by dissolved. A. Primary oocyte before fertilization. B. Primary oocyte after fertilization. C. Secondary oocyte before fertilization. D. Secondary oocyte after fertilization, and the answer is D. Secondary oocyte after fertilization. 42. Represent schematically the result of incomplete dominance in snapdragon plant taking the flower color characters, and the answer is below. A. Mention the tools of genetic engineering, and the answer is below. B. What is insertional activation? Mention its significance, and the answer is B. C. What is recombinant protein? And the answer is below.